From the version 12.3, you can edit and create your own commands in inspection. So what does that mean exactly for you? I'm sure you are familiar with something that we call the Hamburger menu. What I of course mean is the icon on the right, which basically shows you all the commands within our application that you can use on a form. This does not relate only to Resco inspections. You can see this anywhere in our Resco mobile CRM application. So until now, when it came to the questionnaire templates or questionnaire forms, all the commands that you could use were hard-coded. It means that there were only 3 actions you could take upon a questionnaire, which is complete the questionnaire, complete with a report, or cancel the questionnaire. So very good news for you, because now you can actually define your very own custom commands. So you might be asking, why would you do it for? Well, for example, we've had a lot of requests where you wanted to run a report on incomplete questionnaires, which wasn't possible because before you had to complete the questionnaire before running a report. Also, there is a new command that allows you to clear all the answers from the questionnaire template. So basically, when you want to start from scratch, you don't have to erase it all by yourself. What you can also do is hide the comments unless a certain condition is met. So let's say unless someone signs the template, you can't even see a command that would allow you to complete it. And a lot more. I mean, this tool gives you basically full flexibility on what actions you want to take upon your questionnaire templates. So how does the setup go? It is all done directly in the questionnaire designer. You choose your own comments, and then you can even add rules. This is an optional step, and we provide 2 ways how you can add rules. One of them is rules on execute. Let me translate this because it's not very straightforward, but basically it means that here you're gonna define what action you're gonna take after you clicked on the command. And the second one is on can execute. And this basically handles the visibility of the command. So unless the condition is met, the command might be hidden or not enabled. When you log into our questionnaire designer and you are within the template, there is a new section that's called commands, and some of you that are more familiar with Woodward already, you can see that we basically took the commands engine directly from there. When you click on the edit, you get this nice command dialog where on the left you can just select the commands that you want, or you can, by clicking on new command, you can just create your completely custom ones with custom names and everything. And this is what you would see. On the right there is the Hamburger menu, and this time, in this case, it would show just these 2 commands, simple as that. Let me demonstrate this to you in one small example. This is my Resco inspection organization where I'm going to show you how to set up commands for your questionnaire template. Let me go into my questionnaire designer and the template that I prepared for this purpose. As you can see, I used these very simple question types. Basically, it's just a text question, an option set question, and a signature. What I'm gonna do now is to choose different commands and will define an action that you can take on the questionnaire template. So basically what you can see here are the predefined commands that used to be hard-coded, but now you can select different ones. What I decided to do is get rid of the cancel the questionnaire and complete with the report, because I want to show you that now you can run a report also on the incomplete questionnaires. A report of your choice. I will choose the automatic one. And also you can clear answers from your template. So basically what I also want to do now, I will save and close, is that the complete command will be visible only after I fill out this text question. So for this I will go to the onCanExecute rule, and I will import an XML file that I pre-written for you. And basically how we go about this is that the first condition shows us what command is this related to. So it is a questionnaire complete and close. And here, I'm just going to specify that the text question value, if it does not contain data, then the command is disabled, and if it does contain data, the command would be enabled. So this is a pretty simple rule. And save and close, and I think that's all that we wanted to do here as well. So save and close. Let me go into my application now, and I'm going to synchronize with my organization. Let me see the command demo. And this is what we should be seeing now, only 2 commands. Because the third one has an exact rule that says when it should be enabled. So I'm going to fill out this text question and save it. And now the complete command showed up. So that's the behavior that we would expect. Also, we can set the option set, add a signature. And let's say we want to start again because we made so many mistakes that we just need to do it again. So I'll clear the questionnaire. There is a question pop-up that really asks if that's what we actually want to do. And by the logic of it, we should not be able to see the third command again, and that's exactly what happened. So let me do this one more time. I will choose blue. I will sign. When I save this, and what I want to show you is that basically, even though the questionnaire is not completed yet, you can already run a report on it, which is pretty cool. And a lot of you actually asked for this. So basically what this is left to do now is actually to complete the questionnaire. And go here, and it's nice and completed with all the questions. So I hope this clarified how to set up comments within the questionnaire template. I mean, there are a few use cases that are fairly simple but quite useful, but also you can get very creative with it, and it's really quite flexible thanks to the command engine that we use here. So that would be all. Thank you very much.